Tracy Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my brand new Wish Upon a Star 2. I didn't do the first one, but I did the second one for Echo Park paper. I designed this collection for them. And of course, it's obviously magically mouse themed, and it is so fun. It makes me want to go to the theme park. I haven't been in years and years, not since my kids were little, but I pulled out all the magic stops to create this collection, and I think you're gonna love it, especially if you love Disney. So let's check it out. It is one of the extra large collections, so it's got dies and stencils and stamps and sticker books and all of the things. So let's start with the papers, of course, so we can get a feel for the collection. It is in one of the classic, Disney palettes. I've created Disney collections for other paper companies in the past, and of course my own printables too. And this is a pretty standard color palette. I did add a bit of pink to it because hello, there's a ton of princesses at Disney too, so we wanted to make sure that we include some of that. The collection kit includes 12 by 12 double-sided papers, which means there's a pattern on each side, and a 12 by 12 sticker. Here is the set of solids so that you can see the red, craft, pink, yellow, black, and sky blue. Let's check out the papers. So my feel for this collection was sort of a vintage, retro, movie theater, old-timey video camera sort of vibe. That's kind of what I went for, what I wanted for this collection. So you can see that in the sort of retro feel. Here is the main icon paper. We've got castles and gondolas and food carts and Ferris wheels, and really, for the most part, you can use a lot of this for just any theme park too, a lot of these icons and things. So it's really fun and magical. So the other side has a big red polka dot with hearts. Here is the 3x4 card page. So we got Happy Place, Dream Come True, Time for Tea, Princess Treatment, Light Up the Night, Visit Main Street, Hello Magic, What a Fantastic Day, Remember This, Oh Sweet, Let's Eat, and We're All a Little Mad Here. The other side is a really fun plaid. I really enjoy this plaid. I really like primary colors, so this is always a fun collection for me. So here is a themey paper where I really leaned into the old-timey movie sort of vibe. So we're on craft here, and we have billboards and signs, cameras, film reels, the viewfinder or viewmasters, and a bunch of buttons and talk bubbles. It says cute as a button, dream come true, say cheese. The other side is a blue and white stripe, nice and neutral. Patterned stars, cute. It's the first time I'm really looking at this in person. Got little daisies. 4x6 paper. So we've got our dream vacation, the little tickets on the bottom here. Totally magical day. Now showing magical memories made by us. And of course, I always include actual journal cards and in my papers as well, so that you always have room to write. We've got a sequin paper here, a little bit of a different play on polka dots. Couldn't have a retro Disney paper without the stars, or the little, four-pointed stars that are super retro. Ooh, cameras on craft. I like this nice rich craft in this collection. Food, because we all know that the theme park is about the food. So we've got ice cream, and we have cotton candy, Dole Whips, corn dogs, churros, pretzels, turkey legs. Here for the food, treat yourself, yum, delish. The other side is a stripe with a stitched black scallop on it. So again, just having fun playing with different designs here, different vibe for your Disney collection. Feel the magic. This is the mixed sheet. Feel the magic, and then a journal card in my favorite place with my favorite people. And then we have a mix of 2x2s down here. Every other one is either an icon or a word bit. So we've got hooray, here for the food, never grow up, make a wish, fantastic day, worth the wait, magical, let the good times roll, rope drop, insta magic. There's some suitcases. I don't think we've seen those yet. The other side are all these fun wonky arrows. I always feel like I'm just going here, there, and everywhere when I'm in a theme park like this. So that was the inspiration. Then we have fireworks, because if you don't stay till the fireworks, are you a true fan? Stars on the other side. Balloons and clouds and stars. Our happy place, say cheese, feel the magic. Gingham on the other side. Then the 4x4 sheet, magical memories in the making, magical photo pass, the star of the hour, oh boy, the whole gang, and then of course 3 journal cards. I love the sequins in this collection. Castles on the other side. And then the last paper is all of these fun tickets. And then the other side is a craft polka dot. Oh, I love this collection. I need to go to Disney. This is the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we've got those tickets on the bottom. Again, a scallop. What a cast of characters. Vacation. So it says actually dream vacation. They go together. Magic inside. Smile, magical, happy, hooray. And then all of the fun icons. I love these film strips with the hearts in them too. I think they're a fun addition. Pom-pom trim. Super cute. Okay, so that is the collection kit, all of the 12x12 papers, plus the 12x12 sticker sheet. The papers also come in 2 different 6x6 pads. There's, of course, a regular 6x6 pad. Oh, go in there. You can do it. A regular 6x6 pad, and then the mega 6x6 pad. There's a lot of overlap between the two. Oh, forget that. There's a lot of overlap between the two, but there are some differences. So let's cut these open and check them out. Come on. You know what? I always try to do that and then I rip up paper. So let's just open it this way. Duh. Okay. So the 6x6 paper pad has 24 double-sided papers. The 6x6 mega pad has 48. Oh, come on, you can do it. Okay, 48 double-sided papers. You can see they've got some overlap. Here's the blue stripe, the balloons. But see, there are some differences too. Here's yellow. So let's look at them together. Same first page. And then we have, remember this, princess treatment, happy place, time for tea. This is the smaller paper pad. I love this icon border up here. And we have the same second sheet. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do both of these at the same time. Same, oop, they got the same plaid on the back. Same second sheet. Same third sheet. I don't know, I think I'm off on counting. And then we have different pages here. Oh, I busted the binding, no. Light up the night, visit Main Street, what a fantastic day. We're all a little mad here. So you can see they're very similar. The cards are the main difference. Oh my gosh. We're just busting all the 6x6 papers out of here. All right, let's just look at one at a time until they start repeating now, because I can't hold both open. Is that the first page? No. First page is icons. 2x2s. Castles and tickets. Solids. You get solids in the mega pad that you don't get in the regular pad. Word bits, and then it repeats. Okay, the other one, we got pretty far in this one. Cutie, 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 cutie. So if you like lots of 6x6 papers, then go with the mega pad. If you want lots of variation, go with both. Okay. All right, so then there are 2 washi tapes. We have the fireworks and red stars. There is a sticker book. Let's look at the easier stuff first. I'm tired of flipping. Okay, so there's designer dies. We've got the bow, the crown, and the wand. Wish, Dream, Wonder, Vacation, Magic, and the castle. Stencils, we have the arrows, the fireworks, and the pom-poms. And then 2 different stamp sets. Cute. Lots and lots of sentiments. All right. Next. We have, okay, there are, of course, enamel dots, puffy stickers, and brads. So the brads also have chipboard on them. And then the puffy stickers. Oh, I love puffy stickers. So cute. I made sure to include some stars and hearts just for some scatters. I always love the gems on these. Oh, beautiful. Such a fun set of brads, and they're adhesive, so that means they don't have to poke through. Now we've got 2 sets of chipboard, the chipboard accents, and oh, they sent me 2 chipboard accents. Oh no, there's also a set of chipboard phrases, I'm pretty sure. But I ended up with 2 chipboard accents. Womp womp. But at least they're cute. And, all right, sticker book. The sticker book has 16 pages. There's 8 pages you get twice. So, open sesame. You know how I do. There's a set of alphas, a set of word bits. But let's look. So there are, I think there's 3 sheets of icons. These are buttons. Joy. Make a wish, best vacation ever. You get the castle in a few different colors, so I put it in blue, red, yellow. Then there are labels and word bits here. Look at those cute labels with the bow and the crown. And then a set of the stickers on here, plus some titles, vacay vibes, dream vacay, magic vibes, dream vibes, magic vacay. You can mix them together. Set of word bits with my signature mix of color and black and white with the type. And then a set of 2 sets of alphabets. Then, last but not least, the borders. There's scallops, there's stripes, there's this cool, let's see if I can pull it up. This cool film strip, and then the centers actually come out, and so do these little dots, but it's going to take a minute to get them out. But the centers come out, so you get all of these little squares with the hearts on them as well. Then there are banners and sequin scatters, and then it starts over. Lastly, there is a set of frames and tags and a set of ephemera. I'll open them. Let's just go through it. They're easier to see when I pull them out. So the ephemera they both have 34 pieces. And of course, there's ephemera in the frames and tags, and frames and tags in the ephemera, but you get the overall feel. So we have dream, never grow up, I can't believe this is real, and a pretzel. Main Street, journaling label, worth the wait. Here's a frame, and then the center is on our way. Come back. Then we have, it's not, oh, where is it? It's not over until the sky lights up. Say cheese. We're all a little mad here. It's so nice, I want to ride everything twice. Here for the rope drop, I believe in pixie dust. Now playing Vacation Magic, best trip ever. Little crown here. Celebrate. Fantasy feature film. Better than a fairy tale. I'm really only here for the food. Then we have joy. Oh joy, I dropped the joy. Memories. You're never too old for magic. Utter and complete bliss with a ticket frame. We are here. Feel the magic. Cute as a button, and another frame. Last but not least, we have the frames and tags. I'm having to record this a second time because my iPhone cut out. So, go me. All right, so we've got a lot of really cute and fun things in here as well. So we've got some buttons. And then Whip It Good with that Dole Whip. Magic. The Sweetest Place on Earth. Happy Place. Balloons. These have already been popped out of the frames that they came from. I'm sorry. These two went together. Everyone Deserves to Feel Like a Princess with a striped frame. Little balloon. In My Favorite Place with My Favorite People. Such a Thrill. Viewfinder. An Ode to Minnie ×2. Sign My Book. Picture Perfect. Wish. Churray. Scalloped frame with the sequins. What a Cast of Characters. Admit One. This Magic Moment. Whee! Entering the Kingdom of Mouse. The Star of the Hour. Make a Wish. Fantastic Day. Best Vacation Ever. Ooh, ah. Time for Tea. Visit Main Street. And then plaid with a little journaling block in here, which you of course can leave in here, or you can pop it out. Either way works. But that is it for the Wish Upon a Star 2 collection that I designed for Echo Park paper. You can pick it up anywhere that Echo Park is sold, including your local scrapbook store. If not your local scrapbook store, if you don't have one, you can shop my local scrapbook store, which is Scrappin' in the City in Knoxville, Tennessee. They do ship. Otherwise, you can pick it up anywhere that you can get it online, like scrapbook.com or a cherry on top. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed. I'd love to see you over there as well. I'm much more interesting over there. I post a lot of inspiration. All right, I will see you next time. Thank you.